got Hot Wheels and Matchbox for only 10 pesos, guys. So ayan, we found some treasures and tingnan natin isa-isa, and we are going to restore this, or maybe not restore, maybe customize. And right off the back we have a Matchbox here. As you can see, yung paint niya mukhang stripped already, but I did some research and I found out na parang ito yung kanyang original na color. And here we've got beautiful yellow Hot Wheels. If I remember it correctly, this is Fast Fish 2022. Ganda. So far, I'm happy sa mga nakuha natin. And this one, I think, jackpot itong isang to. It's Hot Wheels 64 Chevy Nova Wagon. I like the color, the way it is. Siguro, di ko na muna gagalawin ito. Linisin na lang natin and have it as it is. Another Matchbox. Parang ang ganda nito i-customize. And guys, this is 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTE. Ito ang pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. I can't believe na nakuha ko ito for only 10 pesos, which is a quarter of a dollar. And guys, this is Hot Wheels 2015 H2Go Rescue Unit. Ganda, sobrang futuristic. Okay, let's strip down the paint and let's begin repainting this, guys. Okay, na-drill na natin silang lahat. But for this one, I think hindi na natin to i-repaint kasi maganda siya tingnan as is. So, we're just going to clean that up. And so, using dishwashing soap, parang tongue twister. Ayan, linisin natin ang ating mga Hot Wheels and i-prep natin siya for repaint. And so now i-strip na natin yung paint ng ating Hot Wheels and Matchbox using paint stripper. And so yes guys, sa original na video upload, nag-warning ako sa pag-open ng can ng paint stripper dahil sa sobrang lakas ng pressure niya inside the can, may tendency siya na mag-explode pag inopen mo. And nasabugan na ako nito sa mukha at ang hapde, buti na lang naka-glasses ako and my eyes was not harmed, pero yung glasses ko may mga part na natunaw yung plastic, so be very very extra careful. At sa mga nagtatanong at gusto malaman, I'm using Nico brand ng paint and it's available on our yellow basket down below. Actually, ang ganda ng pagka-chrome ng Nico. I like it and it's really affordable. This is not sponsored, guys, by the way. And for these two cars, gamitan natin ng Nico Yamaha Green. Yan guys, sobrang favorite ko talagang gamitin ng Nico spray. Ganda ng quality and it's affordable. Para siyang candy oh. And if you can see some dripping dun sa mga corners, it's not supposed to be that way, pero I think it's a happy accident. I like how it went out. Parang mas na-define yung shape ng ating car. So maybe kung gagamit tayo ng primer, hindi natin ma-experience ang ganyan dripping. We've got another Nico paint, and this time we're going to use chrome gold. So yes, assemble na natin. I'm feeling really excited. Using hydrogen peroxide, medyo natanggal yung yellowing ng ating plastic parts, but still looks foggy. Subukan nating linisin. Well, I like how it went out. What do you think, guys? And I'm excited to put this gold under chassis. Ayun, mukhang bagay naman, red and gold. I still can't imagine that this came from scrappy looking 10 peso Ukay Hot Wheels. So now I'm excited to use this. This is the premium mag wheels for Hot Wheels na nabili natin. It's available on our TikTok shop, by the way. And I'm excited to use this dito sa ating restored and customized na Ukay Hot Wheels. Ang ganda ng kinalabasan. I love it. So ngayon, it doesn't fit very well because this was made for general size Hot Wheels. But I don't think we're going to adjust it furthermore dahil we're just going to display this. We're going to use another premium mag wheels for this one. Now it's going to be a tough choice between this gold and chrome silver na wheels, but I think gold looks much better. Hindi nga lang siya chrome, but it looks good. So these are the results of our Ukay Hot Wheels, and this one din natin siya ni-restore dahil it looks like artistic paint of some of the Hot Wheels and Johnny Lightning na cars. But so far, I'm very happy with the result. And to put icing on the cake, we're going to use these Gundam decals. Decals bo? Decals. But they are also available in our yellow basket down below. Yan. I like this one kasi maliliit siya, kasyang-kasya sa Hot Wheels and chrome ang kanyang effect. Bagay na bagay dito sa ating green custom Hot Wheels. I really love the end result. Ang ganda. I think we need to also put decal in front. So dito sa ating silver car, napagtripan ko lang na ilagay yung hologram na tag ng ating Gundam decals. And so far, with the result of the decals that we use for our custom Hot Wheels, I'm loving it. Guys, what do you think? Again, available sa ating TikTok shop ang mga decals na ito. I love it. It's beautiful. I still can't imagine that all this came from 10 pesos Ukay Hot Wheels. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much for staying this far. And please like and follow for more custom Hot Wheels and some other projects that we are planning to do.